Hello and Assalamualaikum, Madam. I'm Khairin Jadwa, and together with Tharshini, we're going to present our assignment 2, which is poverty reduction and how to get involved. We chose SDG 1, which is no poverty, for our assignment. So here's the background of the project. So to make it short, it's summarized as that this poverty reduction campaign exists to help reduce or eliminate poverty in a particular region in Malaysia. This can be achieved through several specific goals, which may include raising awareness and its root causes, mobilizing resources, and providing direct assistance. Next is idea brainstorming.
So for the idea brainstorming, we got 5W and 1H. First, what address poverty in Malaysia and ways to get involved. Second is when. World Food Day is on October 16 and can be any time. Where is we choose office building and general public. Who is public, adults and young adults. Why is to create awareness on the issue of poverty to help reduce poverty. And for how is interactive campaign using adult and young.
Next is objectives of the project. There are three. The first one is to create awareness on the issue of poverty that still exists in Malaysia, to educate people about the causes of poverty, and to help provide direct assistance, such as through food banks and financial assistance. Next is our target audience. So our audience would generally be individuals or organizations who have the power to make a difference in reducing poverty. Includes the general public, specifically young adults and adults, as well as some responsible NGOs. Next is the scope of the project, which is our content flow.
So for the scope of the project, first is poverty reduction, how to get involved. Second is the loading page. And the third is definition. And the fourth one is causes and issues. Fifth is impacts. And the sixth is solution.
And this is our related literature. So we decided to do 4. So we found 4 articles, but the only ones that we're going to use as our reference are the first one and the second one. The first one proves that financial assistance can actually help to reduce poverty, and the second one, that one is the second one. So the first one is about how the Malaysian government also takes part in to show efforts to increase the Malaysian economic growth. Next is the apps and the websites.
So the first app is Hati Serving the Community. Hati.my is a free bilingual directory listing Malaysian charities and non-profit movements supporting unprivileged communities. Published at remote volunteer drives. Hati.my hopes to address the lack of centrality information on charities and non-profit organizations in Malaysia. So you can see the website link. And another the National Poverty Data Bank System, also known as ECASA, is the only national poverty information system referred by ministries and agencies. ECASA was developed in-house by the Implementation Coordination Unit ICU under the Prime Minister's Department JPM on January 2008 and was implemented nationwide since June 2008. And there's the pictures award ceremony and the ECASA official website portal.
So the next 2 is Kechara Soup Kitchen, which is a non-religious NGO focuses on food banks. And the last one is Yayasan Food Bank. The foundation also addressed the issue of increasing cost of living, especially the poor or the B40. So these are the 3 storyboard sketches specifically for assignment 2. So this is the title page. And directing straight to loading page. And then next is the third page, which is the main menu. So we have here definition, causes and issues, impacts and solutions. So for definition and causes and issues, they are my part, and this second two is Tharshini's part. So I'm going to explain my part of the storyboard and my part of the assignment. So these are another 8 pages for my part. So I'll be doing the definition. So my metaphor here is actually the signboard. These two are signboards on a wall. So these two are also buttons. So when we click on this, what is SDG1, it will lead straight to the page, which is here. That will explain the definition. So the metaphor for definition will be an office room, both for SDG1 and what about the campaign. And then for issues and causes, I use books for my metaphor. So when it's clicked, it will assign to the pages lah. So this is like inside the book, which are like notes, handwritten notes for issues. And then we have theory of vicious cycle of poverty, as well as policies and programs. And the last one is causes. So next is Tharshini's part.
Okay, continue with my 8 pages. So the first one is the objective of the campaign. So my metaphor is office table and the office surroundings. So for the text, I will be using sans serif and the graphic animation. And for the interaction, also you can see for the next pages, previous page and menu page. And for the second page, okay, the second page is impacts or effects. You also can see the metaphor office surroundings and the table. And that's the animation, interaction, also the graphics. So for the third page, is solution and campaign. And we can see the notice board, pencil, bottle, notepad, paper, all are these are graphics. And for the animation, for when you click the notepad, for every you can view the solution one by one. And also interaction style, next page, previous page, and menu. You can use I have used pencil, bottle, and paper. Okay, the fourth page is how to contribute NG details. So for the animation, same goes here. The metaphor is office table, and the animation is when on the light, the laptop screen also will on, and we can see the contribution NGOs also with interaction style. And for the fifth page, it's continue with the QR code for both of our websites, which is first one is Kecara barcode and the second one is e-Kase barcode. We have to scan the barcode. So the for the animation, I have changed the barcode color, and also it will appear the barcode. So this is for the volunteering page. Okay, for the volunteering page, when you press the papers, the bundle papers, then it will uh, uh, view the volunteer form. So that's the animation, and also with the interaction style. So the last one is my developer details, and same goes here when the metaphor is the office table, and the animation is switch off the phone plug, and the computer and handphone will be on. And there are also some interaction style with the coffee cup, the cortos frame, and also the light.
So that's it for our report on assignment 2. So next we'll be showing you the animate file for the first 3 pages. That will be presented by Tharshini.
Okay, this is our main page. So here you can see the office building, and you also can see the movie clips with the colorful text, and there are also some animation with the sun clouds. So the first thing is the button for the logo, which is the SGD1 no poverty for the next page. And we also can view a play button and mute button here. And there are also some audios, music, background music. So when I press the logo, it will go to the next page, which is the loading page. So this is the last main page. Here you can see the definition for each of the window. There is an animation, which is definition, causes and issues, impacts, and also solutions. So that's all for our animate file. Thank you, madam.
That's all from group 6. Thank you, madam.